Howdy folks, Zach Smith, Pest Dude in the Pest Dude Laboratory, my front yard. I'm off the clock and working for you. We're talking about foggers and do-it-yourself mosquito control and ticks. If you have a little RYOBI fogger or any other of these brands, you got to get the battery. That's where they get you. But if you got one of the batteries for one of these systems, pick one of these up and you can fog your own yard for mosquitoes and ticks really easily with any number of products that we've recommended, both or more on the organic side, which needs a strong contact to kill them, or on the synthetic side, which will have a residual and future bugs will hit that residue on the leaf surface. But the fogger gets a lot of turbulence and small droplets, which will get on both sides of the leaf ideally, because a lot of these insects are hiding out under the leaves to stay out of the sun, and that's where they pick up the product you've put down. If you hit the direct kill, contact kill, that's also a benefit. So check out the RYOBI fogger or any other of these online brands where just get the battery, because like I said, if you already have a battery for one of these systems, see if they make one for you, and do your own and save, because one of the things you need from a mosquito fogging company is their equipment. Now, if you've got a big old yard, you got acres, this is not going to suit you. So, you might want to invest in a backpack fogger. We'll do a review on one of those pretty soon. But this is pretty easy to limp in. Once you own one of these, you're going to save a ton of money on your mosquito service if you do it yourself. Again, if you need to get the help of the big guys because they got the big equipment, sometimes it's good to just hire the pros. But I want to inform you so you can do it yourself if you're able. Zach Smith, Pest Dude, out.